Today we're going to talk about how to apply Ohm's law out in the field. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is the relationship that exists between voltage, amperage, resistance, and power. It's a mathematical relationship, so it's a series of different formulas that if you rearrange the equations, you can get certain unknowns from other knowns. For those that don't know, there are these different wheels that represent the mathematical relationships that we deal with. There's actually more formulas, but these are kind of like the simple wheels that you're going to be taught the most. This they call the power wheel. It specifically deals with power, with wattage, kW, and the relationship between amperage and voltage. So how you would use this chart is, say you're trying to find wattage. You're going to cover up whichever value you're trying to find, and below it you would multiply these two values, so I times E. So P equals I times E. But if you come over here, say you're trying to find volts, this is above this, so the equation for voltage would be E equals P over I. Same thing here, I equals P over E. So you can do the same thing with this one. If you're trying to find R, obviously it's E over I. If you're trying to find E, it's I times R. You get the deal. Our first example, say that we need to figure out how many light poles we can put on a circuit. In this example, each light pole is a 400 watt metal halide. We're running 120 volts to them. It's a 20 amp circuit that we have to work with. So how much total wattage can we put on a 20 amp circuit, considering each one of these is 400 watts? We're trying to find watts, so we cover up watts on our chart. E times I is the formula, amps times volts. So you would just rewrite the formula, P equals I times E. P would equal the amperage I, which is 20 amps in our case. E is the voltage, it's a 120 volt circuit. And P equals 2400 watts. So we have a total of 2400 watts on this circuit to work with. If each lamp is 400 watts, then you do 2400 divided by 400 and you get 6. You could put 6 400 watt lights. So in code with continuous loads, you never want to load up more than 80% of your circuit rating. So if you have a 20 amp circuit, you really only want to load it up to 16 amps. So it ends up being 4 lamps rather than 6. But you get the idea. I'm just trying to show you the math, really. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.